I'm creating another video on brutal breaking of multiple laws, state and international, by Supreme Cassation Court, now only Supreme Court of Serbia, highest instance court, top of judiciary. And I'm first searching for the emails I sent them. So this is something I explained in another video, and this is my request for revision of the on decision of higher instance court regarding my complaint about inheritance frauds committed by judge during inheritance proceedings of my late father. So I explained here what the Supreme Court did wrong. They avoid mentioning what was my complaint about, which is unbelievable. This probably didn't happen, never happened in the history of judiciary if you exclude some communist and other totalitarian regimes. I think this is the right word. So there is no mention that I sent everything using email in that decision of higher instance court, and that there is audio, actually video recording with that. Actually, that video recording is the actual complaint. So the other part of the complaint is just a simple sentence stating the complaint is on that link. So that recording is given in the is uploaded on G Drive, and link to that recording on G Drive was the part of my complaint. So on judges, so this is material evidence the judge committed major frauds. So I asked Supreme Cassation Court to decide on this revision. I know what's the translation to English, it doesn't matter. So revision is complaint on decision on complaint. So this is first thing that I wrote to them. It's something that's not really related, so that would be it regarding this thread. And the second thread is something, actually I missed something here. Or maybe it's in another thread. Okay, I haven't missed it. So that was my request for the for revision. And this is my second email. Where I asked them to explain why they forwarded my request for revision to to elementary court in Smederevo where those frauds are committed, which is shocking. And other things that they were missing in their answer. I'll show answer right away. So this is something that they sent on 8th of October 2020. They haven't wrote who is in charge. There is no signature of the person who is in charge. So these are this is that recording.
Ali to je davno bilo, nema broj. A ti vidi tam sa tvojim, ako znaju nekog iz Čačka, ako je ono živo da ti napravi...
Kupila sam kako lice, on se nastvara u vodu. U Smederevo 2000 koja sam u apoteku.
Okay, that was actually the first this is the second part. So I don't know what the whole thing is about, what it says. Yeah, this is something else. This is regarding that monster who murdered my family. It's not about that complaint. I actually asked President Milovic, President of Supreme Court, to answer my questions. He never answered. That is shown in another video. So this was my response to their mail sent on 8th of October, and I'm now going to check out the other way around what they sent me. So first one is this. So this is the this is something I got from from President. It's not important. And this is the one email they sent on 8th of October that I mentioned in that previous in that email I just showed. So they said here they notifying me that my my email, they got this wrong. It was 29th of September, and they forwarded that to elementary court of Smederevo, where frauds are committed. So the second is their answer on 9th of December, where I asked them to this is response to that email where I asked them to sign to give the person who is in charge. so JASMINKA BURIC, Secretary of Citizens Unit. She said here that my request for revision was forwarded to elementary court where frauds are actually committed, and they said that complaint and revision are filed to the court, which actually was the one who decided. I don't know how to translate this. Okay. First instance decision. Court that made first instance decision, so I should address that court. So she evoked some part of the law on. Come on. Oh, no. Civil procedure, okay. But I think this is the wrong translation. So she invoked some. She invoked this law, article, and paragraph. No, two articles. 377409, and I answered. So I informed her that she was invoking incorrect law, and I reminded them that judge of that court that where they forwarded my request for revision actually committed crimes. I said here that I will file, which I did, file a crime report to FBI. I did that, but of course they did nothing because the whole case leads directly to Embassy of United States in Belgrade, which is directly controlled by the federal government of United States, ignoring my report and so on and so on. I explained in details in other videos, so I'm not going into details here, and so on and so on. This is something on current geopolitical situation, and so on and so on and so on. Okay, so this is something they after this I didn't have, I need to show the last one. So they just confirmed they received the email and didn't answer after that. So after my email, after this email I showed, they never answered. And what I need to confirm is that I sent this email on 27th of November, and the other one was on 29th of September. So I think this is here. 29th, so it is 29th. It's not the it's not 30th of September, so she made a mistake. And the second one is this. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this is correct. So 27th of November, and I explained this already. So this is what they did. They're simply ignoring my my emails on judges' brutal frauds. So and again, this is so 27. So again, this is Supreme Cassation Court. So top of the this is number of the case. So top of the judiciary, and I will never be able to get this. I mean, not never, but up to now, they haven't sent me any of the cases from any of the institutions, only some parts and notifications. And just in case I haven't mentioned this is the time. And the last thing I wanted to show is Supreme sorry, not Supreme, but High Council of Judiciary. I have another video on that, but I'll just try to yeah, I need this. Yeah, disciplinary I need to translate this properly. Disciplinary bodies. Authorities. Okay, that's close. So they should file the so these are bodies, disciplinary, sorry, the prosecutors. So this is prosecutor, disciplinary prosecutor, and disciplinary commission. This is what the Supreme Court should have done, not just to file a report, crime report against the judge for brutal frauds, but also to contact High Council of Judiciary and the disciplinary prosecutor and disciplinary commission. So what it says here. So this is against judges. So these are cases acting against judges and presidents of the court. So this is what they should have done. They pretend these bodies, these disciplinary authorities doesn't exist. So again, High Council of Judiciary is a government body or institution, whatever you want to call it, which creates the list of candidates who should be elected as judges by the parliament. And this is what they're doing. They pretend nothing happened, and you can just imagine what happens in lower instance court if this happens in DA, in the top of judiciary. And I will finish my video with this. I just want to enlarge this, and maybe this can be DA. Actually, this cannot be the thumbnail. Anyways, I just want to end my video with this.